A very warm welcome, friends. I'm back here with another video from Ikagai, and today the topic is how you can have an anti aging attitude and then move forward to living your life to the fullest. The writer mentions that it is very important that you have full emotional control when you wish to have a very healthy and fulfilled life, basically, a very long life which you can live without any diseases. Now, they say that people in Okinawa and all the blue five zones, which has been mentioned, where people are found to be above the age of 100, have this stoic attitude that whenever they come across any kind of problem, whether that is financial, emotional, or any kind of setback, they try maintaining an emotional control over themselves, and they're very much in the power of how they react to it, and that is what gives them the power to have control over their body, prevent the kind of damage that the stress and the tension and then the problem can actually do to their body. And thus it is very important, the writer mentions, to have this anti-aging attitude towards life, that you should be mentally strong, you should be emotionally very well behaved, and you should be able to control yourself even when the hardest of the times struck you. Now, because this is very important, there is a therapy called logotherapy, which has been mentioned in the book, and that is how people are made to realize the power that they hold in themselves. Logotherapy is all about that you sit across a therapist, and the therapist asks you questions like, why is it that you don't wish to die? What all reasons do you have to live? And through a series of questions, the therapist lets you know your own self deep down so that you know the reason why you're living, the passion for your life. And this is what Ikagai is also, that you find a passion, the people have a passion, a reason to live, which makes them get up every morning, which prevents them from getting into any kind of negative attitude, any kind of negative emotional traumas. And they always have the reason that no matter what the problem is, they'll always come out of it because they have a reason to live, they have a purpose of their birth. This is what gives them the fire inside them to live and to deal with things. These two things are very important in today's culture as well, where we just try to copy others, and there is a kind of a rat race, and everybody wants to do what every other person is doing. Instead, what we should try doing is that we should better try finding a passion. We should better try to go deep inside and realize that what is it that we want, what it is that you particularly want in your own life, and you want to work over it. So that would give you the zeal, the enthusiasm to really work upon one particular thing, and you can do it with your whole heart and soul into it, and that would also make you happy, and with happiness will come fulfillment. You'll also be able to give a particular strive inside you that yes, I have to do this, yes, I'm happy with it, and then you'll be able to perform your best. And whenever you perform your best, of course you'll end up being very successful in that particular niche, in that particular field. And this thing is extremely lacking because of our education system, I would say, where they just produce copies and very few people are able to pursue their passions. This is the fourth video regarding Ikigai, guys. Continue listening to these series. I'm telling you, this book works wonders. It worked wonder for me, and I'm sure it'll work wonder for you. Try reading it. If not, that you can for sure watch my videos. In case you have any questions, please feel free to comment. I'm Dr. Yashika Biduri, an expert on fertility, the problem which I solved for myself, having a baby through all kind of natural ways instead of the long treatments. I was suffering from PCOD. There was no reason for my infertility. All my reports were normal. It has been more than 2-3 years that we were trying, and then with COVID lockdown and no doctor at my availability, my treatment completely stopped. And then it was that I went on to search treatments, the natural ways to improve my body. I did a lot of foot reflexology on myself. I followed the Ayurveda treatment for myself because I'm from the Ayurveda field. And then I followed the proper lifestyle that people follow around the world, like as mentioned in Ikagai. Within a month of following all these things, I was able to have my baby, I was able to conceive. And this is the reason, this is the basic reason why I am sharing everything related to what I learned. In case you are a couple who are suffering from not having a baby, Please do follow these things, guys. It helped me out. I'm sure it'll help you. In spite of being from the medical field, I always thought that, infertility is a complex thing, and it's better to be to think about it in a complexity, but it's not how things work. Sometimes your body just needs the natural touch. Sometimes you really need to slow down and listen to your body and then do things. And I was doing a mistake when I was just running from prescriptions to prescriptions and trying to have a baby, when all I needed was to just slow down and think about what my body is going through and work on that basis, on that basic level. And I was able to have a baby, which is one of the most beautiful feelings, the most beautiful feelings actually in this planet, on this planet. So take care of yourself, everyone. I'll be back together with another video, and good night. Enjoy. Bye bye.